Welcome to the video. You're here because you want to know how to start an online business, and most likely you're a beginner. So I'm going to give you a program that's it's very newbie friendly. It's very simple. It's not hardcore. It's not really something that you're going to have to get online and really grind that hard to make money with this program. But while we're at it, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and share this with a friend, and comment below any questions you have in this video. So we're going to get right into it. The company is called Best Easy Work, and they have a postcard marketing program called Unlimited Cash Deliveries. Unlimited Cash Deliveries provides targeted opportunity seeker leads and postcards for someone already in business or for someone who wants to learn how to get in business. So as we scroll down, it's going to be a one-time $50 payment for 200 postcards, 200 addresses, opportunity seekers. The only hidden fees you're going to have is stamps, and we have a discounted vendor where you can get stamps, 100 stamps for under 30 bucks, and they have a processing fee of $7 to $13 to process however you want to get paid, whether it's direct deposit or money order. Why would you get paid money order? Depending on where you're located, or if you're someone who wants to do proof videos, because everyone wants to see proof. Everyone wants to see proof such as this. Here's a $25 payment that's going to be deposited May 25th, and they deposit, I think it's on Wednesdays, every Wednesday, something like that, every few days. And they're in office Monday through Friday. And this is the owner right here, his number, who created this program. So yeah, there's my name, 25 bucks. And this is just something I made on the side. I don't really promote this program a lot. This is just a side hustle. I have many side hustles, but I have main businesses as well. But starting an online business with something like a postcard marketing company is so important. Well, not important, but it's very beneficial and very useful, because you can promote this thing through postcards. So you can take these postcards, and you have a whole variety of them, and you can send out the leads, put a stamp on it, and have a business going in the mail without even having to get online. This is for someone who may not want to get online, but this is also for businesses. You can be a local business. You can offer this to a local business that needs more clientele. Mainly I wouldn't say local, because the opportunity seekers are from all over. But if they have something where they have something online, you can offer this to any business that has something online where people from all over the states can buy it. So you can offer this to someone like that, or you can just target people who want to make some extra money online and they want to be a provider of leads. So it's very simple. No selling, no stocking, no hassle. That's very important on starting an online business, especially in the beginning. You don't want that much of a learning curve. Daily cash payments directly to you by direct deposit or mail, and they monitor the entire program. No needs to worry about proof of members or materials, because Unlimited Cash Deliveries creates all materials, and they send you your postcards right to you. Direct, passive, and residual income. So once you get through the business and get down in the compensation plan, as you get up into the $100 level, and you don't have to come out of pocket. You can just wait till you make enough money to upgrade. Why would I upgrade? For one, you're going to make more money per sale, and for two, you're going to actually get into the compensation plan. What is the compensation plan? It's how a business pays you. So you see, when you get to that level one, you see right here, really the basic level to me is the $50 level. They have a zero cost, but you only get 25 bucks a sale, and you get no postcards. That's the whole point of the program, right? So really the basic start is the $50 level, but you don't really get to take advantage of the compensation plan until level one. You see, you get paid 70 bucks per member. You get $20 20% for their members, and 10 for their members. So you get to take advantage of the compensation plan a little more, and you get more postcards just for referring. And you got to know whatever level you're at is what you earn. So if you're at level 5, you're going to earn up to $700 per commission. And this is what you're going to earn for your members, from your members. But if someone says, hey, I want to come in at, this is a big level, I want to come in at $7,000, I see the potential, you're only going to earn $700. If you're at Level 2, you're only going to earn $140. Level 1, you're only going to earn $70. And if you're a starter, you're only gonna earn $25. You see what I'm saying? But it also is cool, you know, that you can still earn some money. Some people, some programs, you earn nothing. It's all a level-based thing. But in this program, you're still able to earn some money, but they want to come in at a reasonable level. I think $100 is the most reasonable one. But if you're just new, want to see if it works, you're just new to starting an online business and making money online, $50, it's not too much to lose or see no results with. And that's really the gist of this program. You see some proof here. It's just a very cool program. Here's the owner number. You see the hours, Monday through, what they actually, do Saturday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern. Address. He's a pretty cool guy. I have him on Facebook as well. Everything's been cool. I've been paid on time, direct deposit, and everything's been cool. We'll see if there's some testimonials on this page. Looks like just some. I'll let you guys come on here and watch it so we don't make this video too long. But yeah, it's a very simple program. It's not much to it. Like I said, you're going to be sending out the postcards with the leads on it. You're going to put your stamp on it, and it's free to go. You're just going to drop them in the mail. And that's that. Here's some FAQs you can check out as well. Let me see some that you guys might have. What is the truth about Best Easy Work reviews? Buyers beware whenever reviewing any program online. Many so-called online marketers try to take advantage of other people's marketing efforts by posting inaccurate reviews. People posting scam reviews are simply trying to capture an audience to redirect them to personal links. So actually, that's one thing that does happen. Let's see some that's more. Let's try this one. Where did the concept come from? I'm trying to answer some of you guys' questions while we're at it. The owner is an insurance agent limited to a radius of 50 to 100 miles to sell services or products. Realizing the power of the internet to reach a larger audience was the key ingredient towards implementing the site. Many ideas have been combined with within the site for an excellent presentation strategy. Here's a good one. What makes a pyramid scheme, pay to play, or a gifting plan illegal? Pyramids are designed to go many levels deep and usually have no real product or service attached. Pay to play usually forces people to pay to be involved with no free option. Real gifting is done without the expectation of any return and are not allowed to advertise in any way. Best Easy Work is clearly not a gifting plan. Best Easy Works has a free option, unlike the pay-to-play plans, and Best Easy Work only deals with direct team members and is not allowed to go levels deep and has real products and services attached. Is this a crowdfunding platform? No. Crowdfunding is a twist on cash gifting. Cash gifting is illegal no matter how the marketers justify these programs. It's not a matrix. And just a few more things, but they also have some products in the background, some discounts and etc. in the background, such as dental plans, etc. There's a lot of these. You can come in here and read all of these. There's a whole bunch for you. This program is simply a lead gen tool. Like I said, if you're a business, if you do sell a product or service in a certain, you can do it all over the world. You'll come in, you'll make your own postcard, come in, slap your logo on the postcard, submit it on Best Easy Work, unlimited cash deliveries. They'll give you 200 leads that are going to already be on the postcards, and they'll send them to you, and you'll send them right out so you can get whatever business it is you want to the masses. And that's really the simple explanation of Best Easy Work, unlimited cash deliveries. The program like this I like. You get paid every week, and you can really run it up. The price is good. You get to do it offline and online. So anyone looking at Best Easy Works unlimited cash deliveries, my first link will be to this program in my description. I will have some other opportunities I do as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and thumbs up for more, info on starting an online business or any make money online type of programs. I only promote stuff that I do. I don't get on here and just do anything that's going to catch your attention. If I post it, I do it unless I'm reviewing it, and I will mention that I am not a member of it. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.